Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this video is a very different video on my channel. So I'll be doing some tips and tricks in AutoCAD. So this is the first video on tips and tricks on AutoCAD, whether it's be 2020 version or maybe below that, doesn't matter. So the very first trick I'm gonna show you is, if you have, let's say you draw something like this, then take few more lines, can go like this, anything. So, and if you're, let's say we draw something like this too. Now if you want to trim your drawing, you can directly select here and do the trim. But we have another option, that is extend. So in this tips and trick I will share with you how you can use these two options in a single go. I mean, just you can switch between trim and extend in the same process. So for that, all you have to do is, you suppose you have the drawing, you go to trim, then you select one of the lines and other several lines. Let's suppose I say all these lines, and you press enter. Now we are ready to trim. So as of now, if I go for this line, it's gonna trim it. It's gonna trim it too. If I go for this, if I, since these are not intersecting, so only I can trim this and this. Alright, so let's say if I trim this and this, and now if I press shift and I hover over, so you can see it's going to extend my lines. So I click here, keep keep holding the shift key, so I can extend this one too, maybe this one as well, also this one. So it's all about what lines you have selected in the beginning before starting the trim options, what all reference lines you have selected, so it will take reference upon those lines itself. So I can extend this one also, maybe this one, and if I release my shift key, I will go back to the trim option. So this is how you can utilize trim and extend in a single go. I hope you guys understand it and utilize it in your drawings. I use it very often. It's very handy and it's very easy. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment down below. I will make sure you understand it. Thank you guys so much and see you in the next tutorial. Peace.